pretty bitch music.
The table shift. I'm like a whole brand new bitch. Bustin'. Bitch, I'm bustin'.
Niggas come around me acting gangsta, I ain't buying it. He tried to run off, I dumped the Draco where his spine is. 762 God, I got that name because I'm fine it. Real. Hey, on big shots that I get dirty with you.
Bitch, the guard light up the butt and hit the gas, yeah.
Spent 40K on a necklace, I'm flexing, look close and you see your reflection. She a little gangster, I like her complexion.
What's up, yo? I'm back with another video, and I got my friend with me. Introduce yourself.
I am Lash Lord. You can follow me on Instagram, Lash Lord Natasha.
And that's gonna be right here, and also it's gonna be in the description as well. And make sure y'all follow her because she really be slaying lashes. I don't have none right now because I work too much and sweat them out, but you see she slayed. Like, you see her, you know. And I'm gonna also put some clips of her lashes because she's really like that. Y'all, like, hit her up. What? But anyway, as y'all see from the title, we are about to do the burping challenge, and this has been requested for like years. Like, since I started YouTube, since I did that one little video, y'all been wanting this video. So here we are, and I didn't want to do it alone. You know, I had to get another bad with me, feel me? So without further ado, we don't have like a 2 liter or nothing. We're gonna use these. So we're just gonna see how many we can drink, and then we're gonna be burping. Let's get right into it. I'm gonna be drinking soda.
I know it is serious. A little bit. A little bit. Hold up. Oh, there we go.
Excuse me.
Oh, there we go.
Excuse me. Y'all, I don't think... Right, I was like, what?
Let's do it.
I don't be drinking soda, y'all, so... And I don't even burp that much, so it's gonna be crazy.
I actually, fun fact, I hate burps. So this is wild that I'm doing this.
She just love me, that's why. I hate burps too, though.
Nasty.
If anybody else was burping besides us, y'all, I would be disgusted. But we
Yeah.
too cute, you know, so it's okay.
Make it look pretty.
Right.
Burp, but make it look pretty.
For real. It might sound nasty, but...
My burp's so big.
I'm trying not to spit my... Woo! I don't know where it's coming from, y'all.
Might need to come from the bottom too.
You supposed to burp that way. Y'all, this is so hard to drink for me.
My eye twitching like, who are you?
Y'all, what? It just feels like you don't really want to come. Nasty, but it's like, no. I'm not even okay until that's why.
See, I had to start because it started like fizzling down or something.
Oh yeah, it must be because I'm not.
Ooh, this is intense. This ginger ale is definitely bold too. I don't know if y'all tried it.
I didn't know it's that bold. I was wondering. I just showed them like, yeah, this that, but I didn't even see that. It's like scaring me a little bit. Like, dang, where is? It's like, whoop.
I ain't know I had it in me.
Everybody needs a burp though, you know. You okay? You okay? Technical difficulties. I'm gonna stop it. Right, I knew it's gonna be.
Okay. I'm back like I never did.
This stuff right here, guys, it's crazy. It's very crazy.
Okay.
How y'all like my new hairstyle though? Cause this is my first time trying something like this, so I want to know y'all.
So cute.
Oh, thank you. I want to know what y'all think, cause I used to think I looked funny with two little things. I think I look like a little insect.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready? Salute.
Well, that one didn't really come out. I can feel it right here. Oh God, this is tiring to burp, y'all. Did y'all know that?
I feel like I'm doing another workout.
Right, like I'm like tired. Like this is for y'all.
I need everybody to follow me for this. Right here.
Facts. Woo!
My girl is a beast. Whole time.
I'm a whole thug in the inside.
Okay. I got a little baby petite burp.
Ew. Ew.
Be careful.
No, I feel what you feel. It's like it hurts a little bit. Like
I think that's all the burps I have in me.
Is it my bro?
I ain't gonna make it.
My stomach too full.
Check it out. Try it out. Let us know what you think.
Facts. If you need a burp, you know what's gonna do that.
Don't get the job done.
Woo! So we did 4, 2 each, and we had an extra, but we can't hold all that. Honestly, like, my stomach is
I already got
this small.
I got a soda baby already.
Right. Mine is coming. I didn't eat all day, so I shouldn't. It's gonna be an extra burp to come out. I feel like.
Yeah, I feel like it's
Like
brewing.
like you can
Wow.
feel it. You can feel it down there. It's gonna come.
Yeah.
Let me keep doing this. I feel like it's gonna.
You're welcome,
No,
guys.
But let us know what y'all think. I hope y'all enjoyed Lash Lord. Hey, let me know if y'all want to see her on more videos, because this is my best right here. You know, we're always together. I'm always with her, so will just make something shake, you know what I mean? So let me know what you think. Make sure you like, comment, and share this because y'all asked for this video. Remember that. Y'all asked for this video. So you have to share it. You have to like it. You have to support it because I did it for you.
And don't forget to leave a comment.
Constructive criticism, okay? No hate. It's a difference. Bye.